What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, man. I'm going to show you guys how to install TweakBox on any device running iOS 13. Now, the same exact process can be used on iOS 12, iOS 11, literally any version of iOS that supports TweakBox. So as long as you have an iPhone and you have dark mode enabled, that's all that matters. Just kidding. You don't need dark mode. You just need any iOS device. The same thing works on iPads and all that stuff. So, and if you don't know what TweakBox is, it allows you to download like emulators and other apps that aren't necessarily able to be downloaded through the App Store. Some of them you are able to, some of them you aren't. So really, it's just a really cool app and I love it so much. It allows you to get a lot of things and it makes you feel like you have a jailbroken phone, even though you're not really jailbroken. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to this website, tweakboxapp.com. Now, I will link this down in the description below so you can go get it. It's completely free. And all you want to do now is just go ahead and click install now. And it'll go ahead and take a second. And if you're on iOS 13, you'll see that you have a download bar up here. And you can go and click allow. And usually it's just a profile, so you won't even need to see it up there. You want to go ahead and click close. And now what you want to do is you want to go into settings. You want to scroll down into general, and then you want to scroll all the way down to profiles and device management, which is right there. So you want to click that, and then you'll see a couple different things. Now, if this is your first profile you downloaded, then it won't be this crazy. All you want to do at this point, you just want to click TweakBox, and you want to go ahead and install this profile. You want to click install, then click install again, and as you'll see, you'll pretty much be set. You want to go ahead and click done up here. You want to scroll out and you'll see you have TweakBox there. Now, the cool thing about this is that you don't necessarily need to verify or trust the developer or anything because it is just an online profile. So it will never be untrusted or anything, because before on the Tutu app and stuff, you would have to trust it all the time and it would be unverified. But with TweakBox, that's not the case. So all you want to do now is just open it and you will see a little pop-up. You want to click I accept and you'll see all these other ads as well. You want to hop out of those, and then that's pretty much it, man. If you're coming here from another tutorial that I told you to come here and watch it, most likely you'll go to TweakBox apps and then go through here, but that's pretty much it. All these apps you can download to your leisure. If a jailbreak or anything comes out for iOS 12 or 13, another one for iOS 12 or a new one for iOS 13, most likely you will be able to download those profiles from here. So that's super convenient. Like I said, you're probably watching this in the future, like at least a couple months down the line, and you're probably here from a tutorial. I linked this to it. So yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Super easy. If you have any questions or you run into any problems, leave it down in the comment section below. I'd love to hear your suggestions. Hit that like button. That would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also, check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel. All those links are linked down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys could check it out. But more importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.